How to authorize new device on Ring application. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can authorize a new device on your Ring application. For that, open your Ring application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this home page, here click on that three horizontal lines at the top left. Then some options will pop up. From here, click on Control Center. You will be taken to a new page here. Once you reach to this page of your Control Center, from here select Account Verification, and then here scroll down. At the bottom you will see Authorize a new device. Next to it you will see Generate option. By clicking on Generate, code will be generated which you can enter it in your new mobile device to log into your Ring account. Click on this Generate and you will get a code here. By using this code you can log into your new mobile device. So in this way you can authorize a new device on your Ring application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.